So this is the painting we're going to do today, and it's the red burn on the farm. And I'm going to make it as simple as I can for you, and I'll show you all the brushes and paints that you need. So we don't want to do too much with them. We don't want the clouds to be the focal point of our painting. So I'm just going to dip in the corner of my brush into a little more paint. And I'm just going to highlight a couple of these little clouds, little circles. They dry because when you put the white on, it'll blend in with the dark colors and the colors, and it'll won't look muddy. Right. So I think I'll put on one of my t-shirts. I will make a t-shirt with the saying on it, artist. Palette knife. Let's try and make snow with the palette knife. Now we will be going back and forth with a palette knife and other brushes to make snow, so do is put it up against the line, okay, and then paint. And that'll keep it inside the line, see? Alright. So you just paint all that white to match your snow. And when that dries, you put the red on, it'll, and when that dries, I'm going to put a coat of red paint on it. So make sure your first coat is dry before you put on a second coat, okay? The door, and scrub, and just go back and forth. And forth to make it a little. So where do you want to go? You want to go over there, or you want to go over here? I don't know. I'm going to go over here. I think cute. Okay. Maybe there's one coming off of that one. That doesn't look like too bad of a tree to get started. Now we'll switch over to our other brush. Now our liner. Just get your purple color that we did before, and we will make some shadows. Something we have to think about. So that looks pretty nice. I think we're good to go there. I think we are. I better leave it alone. I'm going to try my new dollar store brush. Chiseled edge, and I'm going to put some more red on here. Let's add a bit of the shadow color in between the door here. Put them in. I put in some little cracks on the edges here. So I didn't put any shadows in from the tree because I said, well, maybe the tree's behind the house. That's up to me. Right? So the important thing is shadows, highlights, and the brightness in certain areas. Bring out that bright color.